Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find saved videos on YouTube app. So first of all, go ahead and open up your YouTube. And then what you're going to do next, go ahead and click on you at the bottom right, or click on your profile icon at the bottom right. And then you're going to be able right here to see your history. Here, you're going to see all the videos that you watched throughout the day or throughout the last couple of weeks. And you're going to be able to see it saved right here. Okay, so if you want to see the YouTube history and you want to look for which video that you watched, you can access the videos through your history, right, to see it from there, right, if you watched it already. Another way of doing it, you could just go ahead and click on you at the bottom right again, and you're gonna be able to see the watch later if you have saved videos to watch it later. Here you're gonna be able to save the videos to watch it in a later time. Or you can see in your playlist the liked videos, which is always private. You're gonna be able right here to see where the videos that you liked saved right here. Okay, so there is 3 ways actually to see where did you save the videos that you watched, either by interacting with a like or commenting, or with watching it only. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.